Hello everyone and welcome back to Crazy Country Couponer, and I'm Jenny, the Crazy Country Couponer, and I'm here to let you know how to save money, what's on sale, what's your better deal, and in some cases how to make money. And that's what we're going to talk about today. We're going to do earns because almost everybody should have their earns by now on their accounts, and you want to know. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, let's get you subscribed. That way you won't miss any deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, awesome information, a few minutes of just relaxing and hanging out with your crazy friends. Alright? You don't want to miss any of that. So make sure you hit that red button below. And that notification bell, make sure it says all. And that way you won't miss any of that. Alright, everybody, we got some new earns that just posted. And a couple of, real quick deals I want to make you aware of. Now, our first new earn is on the for sale, but we don't have any additional deals with the for sale right now. I'm just letting you know, go ahead and clip this. Alright, we don't know how long these will hang around, but clip them. Same goes for this Tombstone Pizza, because Tombstone Pizza will go early activation tomorrow, and I'll have a video out about that as well. And it's an earn for $1.50. You also want to clip the dollar earn on the Pringles potato chips, because again, we got an early activation deal with some instant savings for Pringles starting Saturday at 7, early activation. So make sure you clip that. Next up, they have given us some really high-end earns on some dog food and cat food. Guys, it is about time, because it's been a long time since we've saved anything significant when it comes to the dog or cat food. Now, this is the Iams, and it's working on the 10.3 and 15-pound bag. Earn $8. These are $23.70, okay? And like I said, this is an earn, so you will get this back in your account. But this is almost a Saturday scenario. Add you something for free, and use that 5 off 25 towards this. And you're going to save money twice, not just once. But you're going to get back $8, which means this is going to cost you like $15.70. Next, you got the $4 earn on the Iams cat food. It's working on the $9.50 Iams cat food. Yeah, and that seems to be on sale from $9.65. Then you have an Iams $4 earn on a small bag as well. $10.25 for that. So you could actually pick up two, one for the cats, one for the dogs. You'll be really close to your 5 off 25. Or you could do that big one for $8 and one for your cat or another one for your dog. We'll put a scenario together for that, and we'll try to get it up before you head out in the morning. So make sure you check back with the channel if you've not got your notification. Next, I want to talk about the Coke deal. Save $2 on Coke and Sprite and Coke products. Do this Saturday, by Saturday. It is not on next week. We will not have Coke on sale next week. So if you need Coke products, you need to do it this Saturday. Okay? And save an additional $2. And of course, I will put up the scenario for this in that video as well coming up. Next up is this $5 off of 2 of the smaller bags of Purina cat chow. And it works on several. But $7.40, $7.50. Okay. You're looking at $15, so it'd be 2 for $10. Do this in a Saturday scenario. Yeah, do this Saturday. Put it in a scenario, because this is going to be basically $15. And you're going to be getting $5 off, so throw that into a scenario. Maybe with some of that Iams. We've got a new earn on the Beneful. The Beneful is $16.95. If you've not received your earns yet on your account, go check your Play Store and see if there's an update available to you. Because like I said, I think they pretty much rolled it out in all of them now, because I have them available on all the accounts that I can access. Just know that you can't use your earns if you're just using it in the website. You have to have it on the app. Alright guys, that's your information for you for right now. And on the next video, we'll go through that Coke scenario and a few other scenarios to get you going for Saturday. Blessings, and we'll talk again real soon.